All right, this is my solar fountain for bird baths or wherever you want to put it. First time out of the box, so let's see what we've got. Choose the nozzles you like. When the fountain sprays water on a sunny day, the battery starts. The height will change depending on the sunlight and your nozzles for different heights. Okay. So it doesn't look like there's any switch. I just wonder what these little metal pieces are. I don't think we have to turn it on. I think we just put it in and go. I'm just gonna try it without a nozzle and see what happens. Put it in the middle. Here we go. See what this one does. Woo! That's kind of exciting. Woohoo! Okay. So this piece here is the nozzle attachment for the flat ones. So flip them over and you can see that it'll stick on each one. Okay. Woo! Kind of similar to the other one. Woo! Ooh! Kind of centers the water in the middle. Oh, it goes higher. Ooh, more holes. I like that one. If it goes any higher, then I'm gonna lose all my water. That looks so pretty. I think this one's gonna lose the least amount of water, hopefully. Maybe it'll attract some hummingbirds.